Welcome to the AI channel. Today we're diving into the world of delicious homemade treats. So grab your apron and let's get started. Our first recipe is a classic, chocolate chip cookies. You'll need 1 cup of unsalted butter softened, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of packed brown sugar, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, ½ teaspoon of baking powder, ½ teaspoon of salt, 2 cups of chocolate chips. Start by creaming together the butter, granulated sugar and brown sugar until it's light and fluffy. Then add in the eggs one at a time, followed by the vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, baking soda, baking powder and salt. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, mixing until just combined. Now comes the best part. Fold in those chocolate chips. You can use any kind you like, milk chocolate, dark chocolate, or a mix of both. The more, the merrier. Scoop out tablespoon-sized portions of dough onto a parchment-lined baking sheet, leaving some space between each cookie. Bake at 350 degrees or 725 degrees C for 10-12 minutes or until the edges are golden brown. Allow the cookies to cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack. And there you have it, irresistible homemade chocolate chip cookies. Next up, let's whip up some blueberry muffins. Here's what you'll need. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of milk, ½ cup of unsalted butter melted, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 beef cups of fresh or frozen blueberries. In a large bowl, combine the flour, sugar, baking powder and salt. In a separate bowl, whisk together the milk, melted butter, eggs and vanilla extract. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and stir until just combined. Gently fold in the blueberries. Divide the batter evenly among greased or lined muffin cups. Bake at 375 degrees F for 190 degrees C for 18-20 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Allow the muffins to cool in the pan for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack. Enjoy these moist and flavorful blueberry muffins any time of day. And there you have it, 2 delightful recipes to elevate your baking game. Feel free to get creative and add your own twists to these classics. Happy baking!